to 3.
Yung special award.
0 to 3.
And then we will vote on the winner. So the special award goes to
Agata Menor.
Ano to?
special award, best effort.
Brought to you by Stan.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Oh, sige, nanalo si Agata.
Sino cameraman niya? Walang lights? Kung kaya si Joe,
Ate
walang
Agata,
lights?
winner. Ate Agata sa special award. Yeah. I will be the winner. Don't expect.
Ano daw?
I will be the winner. Don't expect
Walang
that,
cameraman
okay?
dyan!
Okay? Don't expect. Just say thank you. Right? Pag tinanong mo,
Congratulations! And now,
oh,
the winner for 0 to 3 years old
Goes to
goes to
Mr.
oh, lalaki ah.
Lucas. Ballistic missile. Congratulations, Lucas.